All right, folks. I did a video the other day on this dash pad, and I finally got it installed. And as you can see, got it armor all up, cleaned up pretty good, and it doesn't look too bad. It was a cheap fix. I mean, it's not a replacement. It had a bunch of cracks, a bunch of foam exposed. I ground it all out like I did on the other video, put body filler on there, and cleaned it up. Again, it's not brand new. It's not like one of the covers that you glue on, but I got $50 into it for somebody that's on a budget and's getting tired of looking at their cracked up dash. I showed you on a previous video where I got the fabric and how much money I had into it. I think I'm into it maybe $50. So quick, easy fix. When I go to do this interior, I'm going to put paint on the car this winter. But once I go do this interior, I'll probably replace it with a brand new one, but temporary for right now. It doesn't look so bad. In fact, it looks pretty good. Obviously a lot better than all of them cracks and splits. So there you have it. Dash pad in and complete. If it's a cheap thing that you guys want to do, then you can go ahead and do it. It's not too bad. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe. I'm going to start doing a lot of videos on this car, so people who's got a 92 RS, that I'm going to do a video here in a little bit on how I converted the TBI to carbureted with the computer system and everything, and it's not that hard at all. So stay tuned for that one. Thanks for watching.